Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of NIOS Senior Secondary Course Mathematics. In this video, we are going to cover the topic addition and matrix. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and give it a like if you enjoy this content and share it with your friends. If you want to see other matrix videos to be seen, you can use the playlist where the matrix topics which are already covered are listed in the playlist. Let's start. So the first topic that we are going to see is addition of matrix. So by this means that we are going to add two corresponding matrices which are of the same order. If their orders are different, we cannot add two matrices. Okay, so that is the only condition that you have to take care in addition of a matrix. So let's read what and how to do addition of matrix, addition of two matrices. Now if A and B are two given matrices of the same order, this is a plural of matrix, and they are of the same order. Its order is same. Either it can be 2 by 2, 3 by 3, or any similar order matrix are possible. Then their sum is defined to be another matrix C with the respective elements as the sum of elements from A and B. That means if you are having two matrices A and B, the corresponding elements will be added and a resulting matrix will be given or shown. That will be the sum. And you have to only take care of the order of both the matrices. They should be same, then only addition can be performed. It is not possible to add two matrices of different orders. So these are the definition of your matrix addition. Let's go and see other questions based on this. So we are covering this example 20.9. What is the question? Let's read. If a 2 by 2 matrix and B, another matrix is given to you, then you have to find A plus B. Now see here, in this matrix, you can see the first matrix is 2 by 2 order, and the matrix B is also 2 by 2 order because it's two rows are there and two columns are there. So this is the order of your given matrix. Mistake in the question, this matrix was missing. So it is order is 2 by 2 matrix, and these are the elements of your matrix A. Now you have to find out the sum of A and B matrix. So what you have to do, take both the matrix A and B and add their corresponding elements. First check they are of the same order or not. Yes, both are 2 by 2 matrix and they can be added together. So when you add both of them, A plus B results in first element from this 1 and 5. So 1 plus 5 as the first element. Then comes 3, 2. 3 plus 2. Then comes 4 and 1. Add 4 and 1. Then comes 2 and 0. 2 and 0, add them. After adding, you will be getting 6 here and 5, 5, 2. So this is the resulting matrix, and this is the sum of your given two matrices from the example 20.9. Let's move on to the next question, that is 20.10. Now let's see here what it is. First matrix is given, second matrix is given. Its order is 2 rows and 3 columns, same as the B matrix also, 2 rows and 3 columns. Since they are of the same order, what we can do is we can find out A plus B easily. Corresponding elements goes as sum. So 0 plus 3, 1 plus 0 and minus 1, 4. Add them. And then 2 plus 1 here, and 3 plus 2 here, and 0 plus 1 here. Now add them, and the solution will be 0 plus 3 as 3, 1, 3 here, 3, 5, 1. This is the resulting solution of your given matrix. Now we are going to see the properties of addition that we can recall whenever required. So here one is cumulative property. So since it is an addition, cumulative property exists. That means x plus y, if you find out the sum of x plus y and you will find the sum of y plus x, both gives you the same result. Okay, anyway you add, they will be having the same result. We call it as cumulative property. Second one is associative property. So this is how it is arranged. If you have three matrices, if you add the first two matrices sum to the third matrix, whatever is the result you are going to get, the same way you will be getting second and third matrix added, and when added to the first matrix. Okay, so this is followed for your associative property. So matrix do have the property of associativity. Next one is additive identity exists. That means additive identity exists. That means when you have a matrix, and when it gets added to any matrix and it results in your same matrix, so such a kind of additive identity exists, and that is 0 here. Okay, so x plus 0 will give you x. That means when you add 0 matrix to it, you will get the same result. Next one is additive inverse. That means you have something that results in your zero solution. That means x, when added to your minus of x, it will give you 0. So that's what the property of your matrix addition. So these exist. These four properties are there for your matrix addition. Let's move on to the other question to see this. So we have another example here, 20.11. So first question asks to find you a plus b, which you can easily add these two matrices and find out the result. B plus c, b and c matrix also you can add and find the result. Now we can go for a little bit of change, where we can find out a plus b and when added to c, what is the result, and we can check for this. So if you find out these two, you will know that it is associative property. Okay, so a plus b plus c. C quotient I'm going to find, and what your a plus b gives you. When you add a plus b, 2 minus 3 will be the solution for the first element. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 3 plus 2. Okay, and add c to it. That means like this: minus 1, 2, 1, 5 plus minus 1, 0, 0, 3 gives you the solution as minus 1, 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 5 plus 3, which gives you the solution as minus 2, 2, 1 and 8. Let's keep this as the result of your C. This is the solution. Now let's solve this D. Okay, let's add B and C matrix according to your D question. So minus 3, minus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 here, 2 plus 3. So that gives you the solution as minus 4, 1, 1 and 5. Now let's add these two. 2 minus 4, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 3 plus 5. Let's check the result. Minus 2, it gives you result as minus 2, 1, 2 and 8. So you can check that this has the property is solved here, and it is applied in this case. So C and D have the same solution. You can check the property. See the next question, that is 20.12. In this it says A and O are the two matrix given. Now you have to find A plus 0. So that means minus 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 5 plus 0 as the first row, 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Like this you will have the second solution. So minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 5, 0. So this is the solution. And if you do similarly 0 plus A also, you are going to get this A matrix only. In that case, you can say both are same. So this additive identity matrix exists. Okay, so that is the solution of your question number 20.12. Hope the video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel, and also comment your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching.